Welcome, grammar students. Welcome to Lesson 18, Prepositional Phrases. We learned about verb phrases in the beginning of the book. Now we are learning about noun boxes. So far, we have had lessons on determiners, describers, and main words. Now we will look at prepositional phrases. We will look at them in noun boxes and as adverbials. What is a preposition? A preposition is a function word that comes in front of a noun box. Together, these phrases tell us something about position, for example, on the table, direction, for example, to the moon, time, like at noon, place, like in Paris, and purpose, for cleaning. Prepositions are words like on, to, at, in, for, with, and before. You will find a longer list in Lesson 18. A prepositional phrase is a preposition plus the noun box that comes after it. Let's look at prepositional phrases in the subject box. We will review noun boxes first. Do you remember the word order? Determiner, describer or describers, main word, and prepositional phrase. You must have a main word. There is no rule that says you have to have a describer or a prepositional phrase, but if you do, the words have to be in this order. We have our noun box. Put a preposition in front of the box, and you have a prepositional phrase. Did you notice that one phrase is nested inside another? Here is an example. On the table. On the table describes where the lamp is. We mark a prepositional phrase like this. So you can easily see the preposition, mark each end with a caret. Put PR over the preposition, then put a box around the noun box. Finally, mark the words in the noun box. The beautiful lamp on the table. Beautiful describes the lamp. On the table also describes the lamp. So the prepositional phrase acts like a describer but comes after the main word. There can be more than one prepositional phrase in a noun box. The lamps on the table in the middle of the room are old. This is a long sentence with more than one noun. Where is the main noun? If you cross out the prepositional phrases, you will find it. Always start with the X word, then box the subject. Then look for prepositional phrases at the end of the subject box. If you cross them out, you will find your noun. Notice that lamps is plural, so it agrees with are. Don't confuse the main noun with the nouns in the prepositional phrases. In this case, table, middle, and room. Prepositional phrases can also tell us where or when. In these positions, they are called adverbials. Adverbials tell us things about the verb, like where and when the action took place. Of course, the parts of an English sentence have a set order too. Subject, verb, object, also called what, where, when. You have already learned about the noun boxes that make the subject and what, and you have learned about verb phrases. Today, we will look at prepositional phrases in two adverbial positions, where and when. Look at this example. Mina's brother takes classes. Here we have the subject, verb, and object, or what. Where does he take classes? He takes classes at the community college. When does he take classes? He takes classes on Wednesdays. Mina's brother takes classes at the community college on Wednesdays. This is the correct order. Do you remember the English train? In a typical English sentence, we have subject, verb, object, where, and when, in that order. Now you know the job of every word in this sentence and the order each should go in. Congratulations! In review, a preposition is a function word that tells us about things like position and time. A preposition is followed by a noun box. A preposition followed by a noun box is called a prepositional phrase. Prepositional phrases often go after the main noun in a noun box. Prepositional phrases are often adverbials that answer the questions where and when. What should you do next? Do Lesson 18 and take the quiz. Scan your reading for prepositional phrases and notice what answers the questions where and when. Thanks for watching.